Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I cover all things Tesla and tech, especially Tesla accessories that help make your Tesla experience even better. And today I got something specifically designed for your Tesla Model Y Frunk, the Mus-Kooler. The first cooler specifically designed to fit inside the Frunk of your Tesla Model Y. It's really going to level up how you use your Model Y. Let's get into it. So as we watch the unboxing here, let's talk a little bit about what makes this cooler special. The Mus-Kooler isn't just some generic cooler that fits in your trunk. To me, it's been precision engineered to match the exact shape and contour of my Tesla Model Y's Frunk. That means I'm not just saving space, but I'm actually maximizing it with how much I can fit in here. It's really not just about space though. This cooler was designed for Tesla owners, people who want performance, sustainability, smart design, all rolled into one. Whether you're heading out to the grocery store or a grocery run or to like a weekend road trip, the Mus-Kooler is really essential for what I plan to do with my Tesla. So let's talk build quality for a second, because I think this thing is built like a tank, but it's still super lightweight. The body is made from high density polyethylene. That's the same material they use to make kayaks or other heavy duty containers. It's also roto-molded, which means it's crafted in one solid piece for strength and insulation performance, just like your really high-end Yeti coolers or other really high-end coolers like that. It also uses a marine-grade stainless steel latch and freezer-grade gasket, so the seal is tight and your items stay cold or hot longer. And the insulation, it's also eco-friendly. The internal foam is injected using sustainable processes with materials. So while you're keeping your snacks fresh, you're also helping the environment, and that's a win-win. One of the biggest selling points for me is how easy this thing is to use. I love the handles. You get a really good, nice purchase on it when you're carrying it and picking it up. And it fits perfectly right here on the left side of your frunk. Conforms like perfectly to this angle here. And it's just a really nice package. It doesn't interfere with anything going on when you actually close your frunk or anything like that. The latch here is easy to use one-handed. You get a super nice seal on it. When you're done, it just kind of rotates there. And then you just kind of slam it. And it closes automatically. So really nice little package there. I think it's really useful and I really like this cooler. And because it's lightweight and shaped to fit, you're not doing some weird wrestling match to get it in and out of the frunk. It fits really nicely. Another really nice feature is that it has a built-in drainage plug with a channel that makes cleanup really easy. Just open up the drain, rinse it out, you're good to go. I want to quickly cover the capacity of the Mus-Kooler. It's 24 quarts of space, so it's comparable to other standard size coolers out there. It holds up to 36 cans, including ice or what else you have in there, and it's just got a lot of space for what you need. I say this could easily hold enough food for people on a 2-day camping trip or all your cold groceries on a trip home after the store. So I want to talk to you guys about my real world experiences about using the Mus-Kooler over the week or so that I've had it, and just share kind of some of the ways that I've actually been using it to help keep my things cold or hot. For example, a day like today where my son had a soccer match and we had to bring some snacks for him and some of his friends. We easily put some ice right there in the Mus-Kooler, filled it up with some snacks, and took it to the game, took it to the soccer field. It was super convenient to have it kind of right there in the front, ready to go. Yes, you could easily do this with a regular cooler that just fits in the back, but why not maximize your space with your Tesla? Use something like your Frunk that you have access to, and it really just changed the way we're actually using the Frunk. So I love that. Another way we've used it over this weekend is getting some hot takeout food. I got some Chinese food, and what a perfect place to store it so I don't have to race home and worry about my Chinese food getting cold. We threw it right in the Mus-Kooler. Obviously there was no ice in there, but it's also convenient to keep hot things hot whenever you're driving around. So really another nice feature of having this in your frunk all the time. The Mus-Kooler also comes in 3 different colors, black, navy, and red, so you can match it to your Tesla or just your personal style. Obviously I went with red because I do everything red on my car, but I love that you have options there. And the last thing I want to mention, this comes with a lifetime warranty. This isn't just some cooler that's going to wear out on you in a year or two and you're never going to use it again. This is a lifetime warranty. It's not disposable. That peace of mind doesn't come around too much anymore. So when you have an option to get something with a lifetime warranty, buy once, it's yours forever, keep it. It's going to last you a long, long time. That kind of like product reliability, it's hard to come by. So when you can get that opportunity, I say go for it. One final thing I want to mention is that the Mus-Kooler is 100% American made. You don't see that too often anymore. A lifetime warranty, an American-made product. You know you're getting your money's worth with a product like this. You're keeping your money local in America. You're not sending it overseas. So if that's appealing to you and you want to support an American company with a Frunk cooler for your Tesla, this is the one to get. Well, if you guys are interested in picking up your own Mus-Kooler, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. Feel free to check it out. I really like this cooler. I think it's really going to change how we use the Frunk, how we go on camping trips, how we use it in everyday use. We've already been using it over the last week, and it just kind of incorporated seamlessly into our everyday lives. So it's a really cool product that I really recommend. I hope you guys check it out soon. Let me know, what would you pack in your Mus-Kooler for a weekend getaway, or how would you use it in your everyday life? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. I always appreciate you guys coming to check these things out. Please feel free to like and subscribe and stick around. We'll catch you guys in the next video covering more awesome Tesla accessories. Have a great day.